Okay, this is a math strategy session talking about our math schedule. Um, we have a big block in the morning that's English language arts. So the last 15 minutes of that block before lunch, we'll do a problem of the day or a math number talk, which I'll be doing another video on, and then getting ready for math after specials. Um, so here it is. At about 10:30, we'll be done with cleaning up our English language arts block and transitioning down in front of the computer or down in front of the active expression. And you'll have a dry erase board and you'll have a marker. That's the time students will be sitting down and doing these problem of the days or number talks. And then directly after that, we'll be transitioning back to our seats, getting ready for our math block. So we have lunch, computer lab, specials, and then after specials, we come back and we're working in math from 120 to 220. Depending on what day it is, these workshop rotations will change. On Monday, generally, we introduce a new concept, which we'll do a strategy session video on. And I also introduce a new game or a center that'll be put out in the classroom. On Tuesday through Thursday, we'll be doing these math workshop rotations. And on Friday, there'll be a whole group assessment or problem solving activity related to the concept. So oftentimes there'll be multiple concepts within one concept. So maybe you have to do multiple videos about strategies for those different concepts. And we'll be working through these math workshop rotations, and there'll be 4 of them. There'll be a teacher table for me working with a small group of students, doing some direct instruction, and that's where I may put out some new concepts after Monday if needed. And then there's the on my own table where you're completing seat work, and we'll be talking about expectations for that. There'll be games where you go down with a partner and you're working in the game center. Um, and we'll be setting that up the first week. And then there's a technology. We have 8 computers in the room, and some of those computers will be working with technology. At this point, this will either be iReady or Khan Academy. Khan Academy, which I'll talk about the login process for that and getting students logged up, signed up for that. So again, it's pretty simple schedule, split by lunch and specials, lunch, lab, and specials, and pretty straightforward. So I know 5th graders like to see their schedule, like to know what it is, and that's it. Thanks.